In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shift schedules and rotations in Google Calendar. This is an essential skill for anyone managing a team or organizing their work. Life balance. Whether you're working in a bustling office, organizing a small team, or even just keeping track of your personal schedule, setting shift schedules in Google Calendar can streamline your planning process. To begin, open your browser and navigate to Google Calendar. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account. Once logged in, click on the plus symbol next to other calendars found on the left side of your screen. Here, you want to select Create New Calendar. Give your calendar a name that reflects its purpose, like work shifts or team roster, and include a brief description for easy identification. After naming, set the time zone that fits your location, or the location of the primary users of this calendar. This ensures everyone's on the same page time-wise. Click Create Calendar to finish setting up your new calendar. Next, let's start adding shifts. Navigate back to your main calendar view. Select the plus button or simply click and drag across the dates to cover the duration of a shift you want to add. In the pop-up window, you'll see options to input details about this event. Start by giving it a descriptive title, such as morning shift or night rotation. Below the title, set the start and end times that correspond to the shift you're scheduling. If this is a repeating shift, there's no need to enter it manually each time. Simply click on the Does Not Repeat drop-down menu and select the appropriate repetition option like Daily, Weekly, or Custom. The Custom option is incredibly useful, allowing you to define more specific recurrence patterns, like every other week or the third Friday of every month. Consider adding attendees. If you're managing this calendar for a team, this feature allows you to invite others to see or even modify events. Enter each person's email address. Under the Add Guests section, they will be notified and their calendars updated automatically, which makes coordination that much simpler. Now, visit the Event Details tab again to add any notes or attachments friends or colleagues might need to ensure everyone's prepared. These could be papers for a meeting, instructions for a specific task, or any other file necessary for the work shift. Once you're confident all details are in place, hit Save to finalize the event. If you've added others to the event, you'll be prompted to send invitations, allowing them to confirm, decline, or maybe set a reminder. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and a bit of planning, you've mastered the art of setting up and rotating shifts in Google Calendar. This can go a long way in keeping everyone's schedules organized and up to date, leaving you more time to focus on the task at hand. Remember, the simpler your scheduling is, the easier it is to stay organized and productive. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.